Hello everyone, my name's Kevin and I'm excited to present you a way to enhance your coding journey by integrating AI-powered assistants directly to your workflow. The main goal of this project is to make writing and debugging code more intuitive by adding a chat feature, AI-powered error resolution, inline code interaction, and real-time autocomplete suggestion. As we know, AI is being integrated to our lives every step of the way, like Cursor, who was able to generate $100 million revenue within a single year. The way they approach their view is by integrating the best features and integrating new features at a promising rate with results. Some of the issues currently facing with other code editors and IDEs now are their outdated integration, where they don't even have AI models to begin with. And even if they do, they uh, have a very selective and limited option that charges a absurd rate. Um, some even if you want to understand a specific function within a code and you want to know what does this function do, and without just reading too much on it, um, and even if you don't fully understand the function at all. And speed. I know that all companies want fast and efficient work, and with this IDE, we hope to implement the fastest results in the best time. The way we tackle these problem is we first research on how different IDEs and uh, code editors work, how they only have a one-dimensional coding view, some error handlings like in this image, um, they have a output of a possible error in this specific line, um, and we want to understand how to integrate AI to tell us what a specific function does. And most importantly, speed. Again, everyone wants the most fast and efficient work as possible. In order to analyze this, we need to incorporate a chat feature. Um, by by implementing a interactive chat system that allows the user to ask coding related questions and receive AI generated answers, we are able to help the developer to progress in ways that they can never be able to before, as everyone is taught to first think about what the function does, try Googling it, and if they aren't able to understand what it does, then we ask some kind of mentor. But what if we don't have that mentor? What if what we're Googling is not what we actually want? And that's where the chat features come from. And the AI debugger is when you have these old error handling, it can tell you specifically what is going on, but uh, in a deeper level, if you have multiple files and multiple functions, you're not able to fully understand what is going on when it is calling multiple functions um, and just going through a rabbit hole. That's where the debugger for compilation comes in. The inline code chat allows you to um, summon up the chat feature when you want to know something about a special feature or special function or even a variable. Why do we need this variable? What does this function do? And most importantly, the autocomplete suggestion. The autocomplete helps us enhance productivity. I implement a AI-driven autocomplete system that provides um, code suggestions as the user types. This speeds up development and reduce syntax errors and helps users follow best practices effortlessly. And without further ado, let me demonstrate how this project works. Now, if we go to this project, um, we will first need the API key for uh, in order to access the AI model. Because if we don't um, have the API key, we won't be able to access the key. So let's say we refresh, we want to run the code. Okay, if there is a syntax error or some kind of error, we don't have the key, so we won't be able to understand what is the problem. So let's add the key. Okay, we have added the key successfully. Let's say we want to know what the function does, but let's refresh, make sure our key is working. What does this code do? Okay, and as uh, as we can see, we have a error. Um, this signifies that we are having an issue with handling a run situation. Um, I believe the issue is because the host server is not accurately displayed. So let me open up a different server. So localhost 8080. And again, let's enter our API key, saved, and what oh, what does this code do? Okay, so I realized the error is the model that we are having. We have hit the rate limit to it. So let's try a different model, such as the popular model DeepSeek. So let's again say, what does this code do? Okay, we are seeing that we have a error hitting our rate limit. So let's try changing our API key. And does this code do? Perfect. Now, um, after changing the API key, we see that our code assistant works, and we're able to generate a perfect chat with the information that we want to understand. What does the code actually do? And this is a example of the dexterous algorithm written in C++. And when we run it with this input, we get the expected output. So that tackles one of the one of our missions. And let's say we want to switch to a different model and check if that would change our response. What does this code do? And again, um, huh, this should give us a different result based on the model that we are having. Um, one other one other um, mission is if you want to understand how to do a LeetCode question, where LeetCode is a popular website of learning how to start up and learn how to code. So let's say we want to do two-sum and we want to switch it to Python, Python, and then we want to learn what does this function do? And expectedly, we would have a direct answer of of analyzing what the function is from the function name and give us a direct answer. And to solve this question, we will need a map. So let's do a dictionary. Um, so my dict equals to dictionary. And let's see if even we want to do a for loop, um, and we already see the autocomplete starting to generate. If we want to generate it, we just do control arrow and just accept it. But if we don't, we always just skip. And yeah, so let's say we are having a error, right? From this function, we need to do some kind of function, and we need to do a different kind of um, error handling. So let's see if we have a syntax error on line 19 where there is a clear extra E where it's not supposed to, and we run with this input, we see that there is the output saying there is a unexpected E here. But again, this is the old view in how to um, tell us how to fix it, or tell us where's the issue, but it doesn't tell us how and where to fix it. And with this, we created a suggestion fix, and after reviewing it, you can accept or reject. If you decide to accept, it will change the source code to what it is told. And there we have it. Um, if you like what you saw today, please give this video a like. I have my LinkedIn uh, on the screen and also my GitHub if you want to check out the source code itself. Thank you.